My name is Travis Urach, and I work as one of the sales consultants here at ShopSabre. Outside of work, I really like to be outdoors. At my house, we have a pool, so me and my wife and my son spend some time in there. We do like to go on our four-wheeler rides. We've each got our own dirt bike, so we go dirt biking. One of the biggest projects that I've been spending my time on lately is my Harley. Put a lot of time and money into getting it more powerful and more reliable and just making it more enjoyable for me and my wife. Definitely get into a lot of fishing, kind of goes hand in hand with owning a boat. We do also like just to go out around the lake. My mom does have a lake place, so spend some time out there with family and friends, soaking up the sun and catching whatever fish decide to bite. One thing that you'll definitely notice about ShopSabre is there is a lot more that we get involved with on the engineering side. Being that we do everything in-house here, we spend a lot more time making sure that all of the critical components on our machines are top-notch. Whether it be on the sales side or on the back end with our service team and support team, we make sure that customers are always getting everything that they need, whether it's during or after business hours. For me personally, I'll take calls on the weekends and after hours just to make sure customers are always taken care of. A big project that we've done here is helping us get that EVA C-Deck machine. We took a lot of time talking to customers that owned equipment, what they do on the day-to-day. We then came out with our EVA machine to give the C-Deck customers that per hand on our equipment. Our engineering team is always looking at the cutting edge of technology and making sure that we can integrate that with our equipment. I think we've shown that with our new Fave 3 option, our EVA machines, and also just making sure that with the ball screw equipment, they're always going to be the best they could possibly be. As big of a company as we are, it's not that corporate feel. You really still get to know everybody's names and what their role is at ShopSabre, and regardless of what department you're in, we always put our heads together to make sure that it's in the best interest for the customer and the company.